It is my honor to introduce our esteemed guest for today, Mr. NLV Krishna Rao has an impressive academic background. He completed his BTech in EEE from REC Warangal in 1976. Following this, he pursued his Master of Technology in Power Systems Engineering from the same institution in 1978, a course affiliated with Kakatiya University. Throughout his illustrious career, Mr. Krishna Rao served in several distinguished organizations, showcasing his expertise and dedication in the field. His journey commenced at Tata Electric Companies in Bombay, where he contributed until 1998. Subsequently, he ventured to Saudi Arabia, serving in prestigious roles at Southern Bin Laden Group in Riyadh, Zidane Consultants, and Softcon in Al-Khobar. His professional journey further extended to the UAE, where he made significant contributions at Dubai Electricity and Water Authorities, Asia Brown Boveri, and Southern Electric Companies in Dammam. His wealth of experience extended to MTMM and Saudi Electric Companies in Jordan before he gracefully retired in May 2014. Mr. Krishna Rao now resides in Mumbai, bringing with him a wealth of knowledge and experience that we eagerly anticipated him sharing with us today. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Mr. MLV Krishna Rao and address the gathered.
Respected all the academic personalities on the chair, on the table, and my dear younger brothers, engineers, fellow engineers. You are able to hear? Yeah, good. So she spoke a lot of things about me, but what I have carried is only two things. Before that, I want to do one thing emotional. When I look at all of you, particularly these experts, my mind went back to my childhood days. You know, all of us have got the habit of Aksharabhyasam, right? So from that day till now, whoever had taught me anything, either engineering or English or this thing, I bow my head to all of them. I see all of them when I see all the teaching staff here. I am feeling their presence of all my ex-teachers when I see all the teaching staff here. So my salutations to all of them. So, first, mother is the first school. Mother's, you know, what you call, womb is the first school. Second is normal school. Third is professional school. So you are in the third one. What I have been carrying with me, she read a lot of things. My engineering knowledge and my mind. These are the two things which will come with you. So, all this knowledge, not even a single lecture will go waste. Mark my words, nothing will go waste. All that will add as vitamins to your career. And moreover, nowadays, people think core subjects have no future. No, core subjects will have future as long as sun rises in the east. So nothing to worry. And second thing is, previously, about 40 years back, electronics was different, electrical is different, civil was different. It was connected together when you are sensing some elements. Now, these electronics, fiber optic, computer, they are embedded in each and every act of every core. Only I know about electrical. If you look at the relays, in each relay you have got a IC, you have got a network, you have got a software. Unless you know the fiber optic, communications, etc., you cannot become a protection engineer nowadays. That is so don't worry if you don't know electronics. Or electronics is embedded everywhere, even in civil, solar engineering, everywhere it is embedded. So microminization is the art of the day, right? Previously one big panel was there, now it is coming in the small relay, correct? So sometimes we get, everything is IT, they are getting more money and all that. Second thing is, all these people we are there to tell you what is the latest technology, how to grow, all that. I am not going to add to your technical skills in 5 minutes. What is more important is, we use, I think in engineering, out of 4 semesters, 4 years, right? 8 semesters, each semester if you have got 5 subjects, 40 subjects you study, right? For understanding 40 subjects and going through the interviews, their written test, they will give assignment. How many hours you add for that? You have mental hours, physical hours, emotional hours, frustration hours. You use all your intelligence for that to get degree for 4 years, which is used for 8 hours a day up to age of 60, correct? You retire at 60. Use that knowledge only 8 hours a day normally, 10 hours. What we don't understand is the intelligence what we are using to understand the machines or civil or engineering or IT, we don't use it in our normal life. With people whom we come across, like parents, children, spouse, we don't use the same mind, same intelligence to understand them, with whom we have to live up to age of 90. So use your mind and intelligence for this also. Then 50% of the networking problems, interface problems, what society is facing will go down. You know, when we do in fact, talking about electrical and electronic is something, because I am out of picture now. When we do the characteristics in the lab, when you do diode, transistor, right, common emitter or common base, you draw the characteristics, right? First you give input, output. Then draw the characteristics, diode characteristics, reverse bias. Similarly, you should be able to draw the characteristics of your mind. If somebody kicks you, how your mind reacts. If somebody praises you, how you react. Once you do that, you are master of your mind. Same mind, you can become Prime Minister of India, CEO, or a normal man, or even a good housewife. Mind is same. So try to understand your mind. Plot the characteristics of your mind. This will go in the long way. In my batch, I was surprised to see they are saying 500 people, 72 people in one class, and the staff are taking care of them. When we were in REC Warangal, anyway, I don't know how to tell my background, 40 students, only 40. And we had good ambience, no pressures. Now you have got competitions, but you have got the avenues to learn. Avenues to learn, avenues to... For you, 6 continents are your field of work. For us, only public sector undertakings, Andhra Pradesh State Electricity Board, or people like us, we had lucky to. And moreover, I am thankful to all the teachers, particularly our REC Warangal staff. They had a system of postgraduates, sending them to different companies. We were going there, taking a project work, getting employed. That is how I joined Tata Electric Bombay. They gave me job after doing my digital simulation of relays. So, today I am here because of the systems of REC Warangal and our professors. I am earning my livelihood because of my academic teachers. They are like God. Please remember this. Even if you become CEO or MD or Prime Minister, background is from your staff. This you will realize later. I am realizing now. So, like parents only. When do we understand our parents? After reaching 40, 45, correct? When we become parents, then we understand parents. So, this is a very, but relax, practice relaxing while doing the work. Practice relaxing while doing the work. So that is the best thing. I mean, I'm not here to preach or add or anything. And actually this is previously, without these programs, only out of 100 people, 5-6 people will be innovative. But these systems are helping to increase the number of innovative minds, which is exemplary. So make use of it. And after some time, maybe some of you may become CEOs. In our batch, some became CEOs, some become middle managers, some have become actors, some have become share brokers. So it's only starting point. You will become what you intend to be. So take this as a platform and fly off. Okay, thank you all. I thank everyone who has participated here and invited me. And Mr. Ashok, I know him well. So I did, in fact, past 2 days, particularly when I see this, my mind is in Warangal. My college mess. Of course, we don't remember machines, we remember Rava Dosa of the hostel. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. EXOUSIA are offering first 200 people with free processing fee if they choose to fly through visa set. A 10K gift voucher is provided if the candidate take coaching for GRE and related courses and fly through them. VSASIT is also providing courses like Azure DevOps, Power BI, Informatic and related ones at affordable prices. I extend an invitation to all dignitaries to felicitate and honor Mr. NLV Krishna Rao sir as the guest of the honor.